Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on Temu. If we click on settings, here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Temu and we click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.